Okurijera hari bamwe abahinji abutushangira mu mwanya ogu nibagira ngu embera y'enguuto zabo zirimu neberarikiriza munonga.
Obugato bwange.
When it is rainy as this season, we get great mud and some stagnant water. So our products to get out of the gardens and to be rich in the market, sincerely, it becomes a great challenge.
Ekizibu cyale kintu tusaba oruguudo nebyo kuriya bito kubiho mu misiri. Konga kuba tukolira oruguudo kuba ikiro musenda yabigano barurekera.
As we have seen, the mud are so very much. So we are requesting government to give us help to construct us this road.
Abandi bongera bagira ngu bakirimo nibasharure bicyoro byabo konga tubari kubona aho kubirabya.
We've already get ready to be harvested, but no way to remove them from the gardens. And yet, as we are neighboring the national park, now people are dying in the gardens, killed by elephants.
So wedi kitanywa ori omunyeshengero wa Busongora North omukuganira na TV West nagira ngu naija kukwatanisa n'abebembezi begomborora barebuke enguuto ezi zakorwa.
Government is committed to ensuring that the roads are worked on, and using the available resources we will do what it takes to make sure that we work on these roads and that we improve the services for our people.
During this Christmas season and the first week of November, at least they are going to release 100 million for us to buy fuel to be able to work on some of those roads and open them so that they become more drivable.
Abani bagira ngu okuburaho kurabye bihingwa byabo ngo nikiza kuretaho entasiya yabo yacendera. Gashako Gilbert Muhanguzi.